Hey guys, it's Deborah at Flipping 50 again, and I'm here with
Bonnie Spackman.
And Bonnie has a great story talking about you're doing this as a team,
As
the
a team.
triathlon with.
It's my sister and my sister-in-law and myself and my sister. It's our first year. I did the swim, so fun, and my sister's doing the run, and my sister-in-law is doing the bike, and we're waiting for her to come in. And she's a little bit behind. We're kind of worried, but it was so fun and it's been a blast. And my sister-in-law's done it for 17 years. This is our first year. I was scared to death, and it was a blast. And now all my brothers and sisters that are here watching us, because they live in the area, they want to do it next year. And
So
we're
excited.
excited. And it's, you know what, it has made a big difference. I could only swim one lap, and that was 3 months ago. And so I practiced every single day that I could, and now I can do 20-25 laps, no problem. And my sister couldn't do anything. She can now walk or run 5 miles. She's good.
That
It's
is
been
awesome.
And it made us feel so much better.
And you're inspiring each other.
Yep.
Right? So now at Christmas or holidays, you're sitting around comparing your swim times instead of your cookies.
Oh yeah,
Right.
we are into it. We want to do more next year. Like do more activities because it was so much fun.
Trail
We love
running
it.
starting next year.
Somebody said there's going to be a walk, like a fast walk.
Power walk.
Power
or,
walk. Power walk will be so much fun.
Yeah. Race walking.
Yeah.
Power walking. Both
Yeah.
of them. Yeah.
I would
Awesome.
love it. But
I'll see you here
I
next
think
year.
it's awesome. Oh, here she comes. Bye.
Here she comes.
Hey, she made it. Our team shirts are called Are You Kidding? Be careful.
Yeah, I've been asking them to come do it with me for years, and I finally got them convinced that if I do the bike, they can do the rest. And so here we are.
And you're not just a biker, you're now a road warrior because you went down.
Oh, because I fell down. Oh, boom.
You know, you can use
It was
that
soft
for
one.
years. Take it
Oh,
one for the
my
team.
knee. Oh, my God. No, I also do a dog sport called fly ball, and I'm a bowler, so I bowl next week.
I hear all about your gold medals. You
I have
racked
gold,
up.
silver, bronze. I have oh, I don't even know what it's called. It's a championship medal too for bowling.
So awesome. And we'll be back. I'm going to see you next year here.
Oh, good. All right.
2:59. Get one, take your chip. Don't go with you, 59.